Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers watching, and that is, guys, if you guys have not joined the Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. A link in the description box below. We talk about cryptocurrencies, the latest news and trends revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. Now let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $1.34 trillion. We're down 5.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, still nothing to get excited about as of now. If you're a regular viewer on my channel, you guys know exactly as to why we should not be getting excited: because of Bitcoin. We need to be monitoring Bitcoin situation very, very closely along with Bitcoin dominance for altcoin holders. But today, overall, guys, we are seeing a majority of the markets, nearly the entire markets, is seeing massive red across the board, especially in the last 24 hours, and it should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. But there is this one coin that has been highly, highly, highly requested on my channel for quite a while now, and today I decided to make a video on it and share my personal opinion as to what I believe this project can do. So it's none other than, guys, Shiba Inu. So one thing I want to point out for you guys right off the bat is that while we are seeing the entire markets going towards the downside, we're seeing one coin that is up quite significantly in this uncertain time, and that is Shiba Inu. So let's jump right into it, guys. If we are looking at Shiba Inu's price right now, we are currently trading at 0.000000751 cents. It is up a 4.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but it's up 11.3% and 11.9% in BTC and Ethereum comparative. So that it is up quite a bit right now, especially how bearish the entire market right now is due to Bitcoin. So that is interesting on its own. If we are looking at Shiba's rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko, it's currently ranked at 26th spot. Market cap right now is $3.73 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is only $848 million. Right off the bat, guys, one thing I want to point out for you guys is that one thing that is not standing out to me is the 24-hour trading volume for a project like a Shiba Inu. The reason as to why I'm saying that is because this project has been trending everywhere. You guys can go see anywhere. It has been trending for the last couple months at the top of first spot. And the hype is absolutely insane, like off the charts. The community is very, very large, guys. And, if we are considering all these factors, the 24-hour trading volume is very, very low if we do consider those factors. But if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, Shiba has pulled some massive, massive gains over the last 1 year. If we are going at the, max level, as you guys can see, let's get rid of this advertisement real quick. You guys can see, guys, Shiba is up, like, I don't even know, like, how crazy it's, how, significantly, Shiba has gone up in just the last 1 year alone. People became millionaires overnight that bought back Shiba around this level. It has been in the markets since July 31st of 2020. We will see on July 31st, 2021, it will be the 1 year anniversary since Shiba has been listed on the markets. So it has not been in the markets for quite a while, but it has been gaining a lot of traction, a lot of hype, especially after the Dogecoin mania. Yeah, Shiba is another dog. It's a breed called Shiba Inu, and it's known as, a lot of people are saying, this is going to be the Dogecoin killer. And considering the fact that how fast and how big the community is, I would not be surprised if it were to compete against Dogecoin indeed. And we will get into factors, certain factors that make me believe that there is a potential for Shiba to go towards the upside and possibly even take over Dogecoin this bull cycle. If we are going on the Ether scan, guys, Shiba holders are growing at an exponential rate. We are seeing so many people come in, and the community is growing day by day at a very, very drastic rate. So that is also one sign we need to be looking at. As of now, there is 549,800 Shiba holders as of recording this video, and this amount is only going up as time goes by. One thing I want to point out for you guys is that the circulation supply is absolutely astronomical. It's very, very massive. So we will get into that. So please keep this in mind when we are looking at a Shiba Inu's price. So let's get into the factors as to why we are seeing so much hype coming in, and where we could be going in the immediate short term. And I will share my personal opinions with you guys. Again, not financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal thoughts with you guys because this video has been highly, highly requested on my channel. So I'm bringing you guys just that. So if you are a Shiba holder, you guys know exactly one of the biggest announcement that has been made, and that was that Coinbase will be listing Shiba Inu. But due to some technical errors, they were unable to list it, and they have postponed the listing for Shiba. But as of now, guys, we are seeing a lot of people, guys. This goes to show how big the community really is. If we go on Twitter, guys, and whatever Coinbase posts, like let's say they are listing some other coins right now, you just see all the comments flooding, like when are we getting Shiba listing, when is this, that. And this goes to show how huge the community is, and Coinbase does not want to miss the pie. They want to get a part of the pie because they know they will be getting tons and tons of volume kicking in, especially from retail investors. You guys would be surprised as to how many new investors that have no idea what cryptocurrencies are, or they're not used to moving funds from Coinbase or any fiat gateway to Binance or wherever Shiba is listed. They are waiting on the sidelines on Coinbase along with Robinhood. And Robinhood is another massive rumor that is going on that people are saying Shiba will be listed on. And again, I am not saying that is not a possibility. Again, these trading platforms, they want to make money at the end of the day, and they will be getting a fair share of pie if they were to list this project. It is a very, very speculative project, and I believe it's just retail hype that could potentially take it to the moon. But we got to be very, very careful with this project. Like I said, always invest where you can afford to lose. Never throw your life savings into cryptocurrencies. I always say that to you guys, so please keep that in mind. So now we are moving on to the next thing, and that is why we are seeing massive hype, and this could potentially take Shiba to crazy levels. And let me explain as to what I'm talking about. So today, the one and only Elon Musk has come out and tweeted this: my Shiba Inu will be named Flocky. So let's look at this carefully. It's a lot of people are saying he has mentioned my Shiba Inu will be named Flocky. But let's keep in mind, guys, Flocky is also another cryptocurrency that went through the roof today. So I am pretty sure there is some sort of hints that he is providing to his followers regarding Shiba Inu. And at the end of the day, my personal thoughts are that I am not a big fan of Elon Musk as to how much control he really has in the cryptocurrency space. To be quite honest, I think the guy's a genius. Don't get me wrong. I think he's a total genius, but the amount of control one single person has in the entire market is not good, in my personal opinion. So, if he starts to continue mentioning Shiba Inu on his Twitter account or Twitter feed, starts tweeting about it like he did with Dogecoin. We all know what happened with Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin was a meme coin just like Shiba Inu, and no one, I have been in the markets for a few years, and I have mentioned this to my regular viewers for a while. No one ever thought that all the crypto OGs, if you told us like 4 or 5 years ago that Dogecoin will be trading at 25 cents, we all would have laughed. But the reason as to why we saw a massive, massive rally in Dogecoin was because of Elon Musk. You know, he shilled it so much to the fact that, again, he is such a huge figure. A lot of people will go whatever he mentions, people will try to get into it. And that's just the investor psychology. And that's why we saw Dogecoin skyrocket. We saw Dogecoin skyrocket through the roof. And, we saw Dogecoin get listed on Coinbase, and we saw so many investors come into it, especially retail investors. And I believe this was the kickstart to the altcoin season and this bull run. And I believe Elon Musk had a huge role to play in that, bringing mass adoption to the crypto space. So I believe this is going to happen with Shiba Inu as well, because like I said, we are seeing so much retail interest coming in. Tons of retail interest, and right now you would be surprised as to how much money is on the sidelines right now looking to get into Shiba. And why I believe that is, if we do look at the factors, it is trending number one over the last 1 to 2 months, and the community is growing at a tremendous rate. So that goes to show as to why I believe that. And if Elon Musk continues to, tweet about Shiba, I do think Shiba will be the next Dogecoin hype. And, that is just my own personal opinion. But now let's deep dive into the charts, because this is what we're here for, and see where Shiba Inu could be going in the immediate short term. So, looking at the Shiba Inu's charts right now, as you guys can see, we did a wick all the way down to 0.0, like you guys get the picture, 518. So I don't want to go to 0.00, but you guys get it. So if you had some Shiba Inu, like let's say you were like, you know what, I have $100 and I'm willing to willing to afford to lose this. I can afford to lose this, and you know what, I'm going to put a buy order for Shiba Inu at that price. And let's say your order got filled, you would be up right now in just 2 days 43.75%. 43.75% in just 2 days. And let's go on to the daily chart so we can get a better picture as to what is going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So as you guys can see right now, just give me 1 second. So as I mentioned earlier in this video, that some people that bought back up Shiba around here, they became millionaires overnight. We saw Shiba go absolutely insane. We got Binance listing and just a lot of hype indeed coming in, and we saw a massive rally all the way towards the upside at the 0.000394 level. But since then, we have dropped quite significantly. As you guys can see, if we bring out the measuring tool, if we measure it from the top, we have dropped, as of recording this video, we have dropped 81.10% in just the last month and a half. But again, we do need to realize nothing goes up straight forever. So that's one thing we want to get into as well. On my channel, guys, we keep it 100% realistic. And if this is your first time coming on my channel, welcome. And I'm greatly appreciative for you guys coming in and watching my videos. So one thing I want to share with you guys is a tip that I want to share with all the newcomers coming into the markets, and that is, you do not want to get greedy in this market. And let me explain as to why. Imagine you bought up some Shiba around here. This is just an example purpose. Imagine you bought up some Shiba around here and you saw a massive spike, parabolic move towards the upside. And let's say you made some massive profits. You need to be asking yourself a question, because no one, if you come and tell me someone is going to say that, this is going to be the top, no one can predict the top. I'm sorry to tell you, no one can ever predict the top. So when you're seeing parabolic moves like this, you always want to be asking yourself a question, and that is this profit that I'm sitting at, is it too much that I can afford to lose? If the answer is yes, please guys, take some profits because you do not want to get greedy. As fast as the markets can move towards the upside, that's as fast as they can go down, because at the end of the day, we are controlled by Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire market. If Bitcoin decides to go towards the downside, these markets can be very manipulated. So if they go down, so does Shiba Inu, and that is no exception. So please keep that in mind and not get greedy if we were to see another altcoin rally later Q4, which I still believe we will see happen. So now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, where is Shiba Inu going in the immediate short term? Share your personal thoughts with us. So as you guys can see, this did play as a level of support for us at this 546 level, and I have mentioned we are up 45.6% in just the last 2 days if you were able to pick up some Shiba around here. So now we are trying to get above this level of resistance, and that is at that 810 mark, once we break above it, guys, this is the most crucial level of resistance for Shiba Inu, and it's around here, guys, as you guys can see, and the price of that level is 0.000105 cents mark. We have been trying to, as you guys can see, guys, these are not just random lines that I have been drawing over the last couple of days. You guys can see, like, these this does play as a level of resistance over the last few days. You guys can see we have been trying to break above it, but it's unable to break above it. So all eyes should be on this level, and we need to hold above this level at all costs, guys. At all costs, we have to be holding above it to see us have a further move towards the upside and actually start going more towards the upside. If we are to bring out the measuring tool, guys, and measure it to this level, it's a 41.7% move towards the upside. Again, all eyes should be on this level, and we need to stay above it at all costs to stay bullish. So please keep that in mind. And I believe that we will not have any problems whatsoever trying to break this level, but this is the main level that I have my eyes on for me to turn bullish on Shiba Inu price to move towards the upside. Now that we have seen that Elon tweet, I believe we might see some more hype towards the upside as long as Bitcoin were to stay stable. If Bitcoin has a sharp drop towards the downside, if we are going to the Bitcoin charts, guys, Bitcoin is below this last life support level for Bitcoin at this $33,300 mark. If we go below this, guys, which we are below it right now, there's a high chance for us to drop below $30,000 once again, and that could mean Shiba Inu might be affected for the short immediate term. So please keep that in mind. We're not always bullish. We are not always bullish. We have to look at all the factors when we are looking at the charts. One thing I want to point out right now that I want to see Shiba Inu do is get more buying pressure to kick in, guys. The buying pressure is very, very low. We need more buying pressure to kick in for us to see some sort of bullish momentum towards the upside. So that is what we need as of now. But now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, where could you be seeing Shiba Inu go in the immediate short term, let's say end of July? So Coinbase listing will play a major role, guys. I believe as soon as Coinbase listing were to get announced, as I have mentioned, we will see more retail hype coming in, and there is a lot of investors and some big influencers that are backing Shiba Inu. So that needs to be considered as well when we are looking at Shiba Inu's price. And obviously we are waiting for the Shiba swap, which is highly anticipated, where you can stake your Shiba, earn passive income, and possibly the supply does get burned as well. And as you guys may know, Vitalik burned almost 40% of Shiba's supply because he was gifted gifted that much amount, but he burned it. He played favored it for the community. He did not want to have that much control. So that is some sort of a bullish announcement as well. So we do have some major factors, if we do consider it, that are coming ahead, which is Shiba swap, Coinbase listing, and possibly Robinhood listing, which I believe can possibly happen as well. If that happens, guys, we will see some parabolic move for Shiba, as long as, keep this in mind, guys, as long as the king Bitcoin does not have a crash towards the downside and goes below $30,000, because if that happens, everything gets invalidated. So please keep that in mind. This doesn't mean that, if we were to get listed on Coinbase, Shiba Swap, Robinhood, yes, for the short immediate term, we might see some sort of price momentum towards the upside. Definitely, I could see some crazy, crazy moves towards the upside for Shiba Inu, but right now we need to break above it, and then we will cover what is to come next. As of now, this is the price target, guys. But if we are considering all the factors that I have mentioned, and Elon Musk, let's say he continues to tweet about Shiba Inu, then yes, we could see some more upside potential for Shiba Inu as well. But that is it for today. If we are going on Google Trends, guys, we had seen the spike initially when the markets were, booming, but obviously we have seen some sort of consolidation and correction occur in the market. So Google searches have dropped. But again, this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us, because we know what has been going in the markets over the last few month and a half. But Shiba does have a potential towards the upside, guys, in my personal opinion, considering all the factors that I have mentioned. But we need to keep an eye on Bitcoin's price very, very closely. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you guys could see Shiba Inu going in the end of this, at the end of July. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And guys, my regular viewers, if you guys want to see more Shiba Inu videos, updates, let me know in the comment section below. If you do not want to see it on this channel, I could possibly make another channel where I only talk about Shiba Inu and possibly other altcoins that I believe might have potential, because I care about each and every one of my viewers. If you guys want to see more Shiba Inu videos, let me know in the comment section below, and that is what I will deliver. We will decide as to if we're going to keep the content on this channel or move it to a different channel. And please, guys, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your support would be greatly appreciated. This does help the YouTube algorithm push my videos to the wider audience, so your support would be greatly, greatly appreciated. And thank you for taking your time out to watch my video. Once again, thanks again. Oh, that doesn't make any sense. But once again, I really appreciate it. That's what I meant to say. And do not forget to stay safe, guys. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.